I'm working in the north pasture where we've got some cypress trees that are here to protect the peach trees, which are right behind you. Known by quite a few names, black locust, purple robe can be extremely invasive. They have these little seed pods, and inside the seed pods, let me show you here real quick, we've got seeds that just blow away on a whim. Not only do the seed pods scatter everywhere, but they also form a sucker root system. So I'm not sure if these actually were seed or if they came off as a sucker on the big locust we have over there. Now, if you don't stay on top of them, you'll have them everywhere. But there are some benefits. If you have them on the edge of a property, they have the worst spikes I have ever messed with. If you don't keep them under control, what you'll end up having is what I have in the corner of this pasture. The black locusts are out competing these cypress. These black locusts are going to need to go in order for these cypress to flourish. Not only are they competing for nutrients, but they're also competing for sunlight. When these locusts are fully leaved out, there's basically a canopy of shade here. Essentially, they're going to get smothered out. They're never going to have the opportunity to protect the pears, which are actually right behind you. So I'm going to take my Cultivator Mattock. I'll demonstrate again why the Cultivator Mattock with a slight modification of the sharpening of the blades is going to be my favorite tool for this chore. This cypress definitely wasn't going to make it another season being shaded out by this big old locust or this one over here. We're going to take that same approach and just clear them. Ah, things are sharp. Yes. There we go. Trickiest part of this one is not wasting the tree. So let's see if I can get it. Yep. Ooh, split the difference. Hit it right here at the base. Got two twigs in front of this big one, so we'll take those out first. Watch out, make sure they don't whip you. Little golf swing there. So I'm going to have to hit across and shear it this way. So it's going to take quite a few hits, but I'll get it. A little leverage to finish her off. And while I'm out here, I'm going to take care of this one too. Well, I'd say that went pretty well. Before you take off, I want to show you one more thing that we can do with the Cultivator Mattock that you might not have thought about. But before we leave, these cypress are in great shape now. They've got plenty of sun. I'm going to give them a little welcome to springtime watering. Then they'll just go on the regular drip system. Before long, they'll grow up nice, big, and strong, protect all the blossoms, and in turn, our fruit harvest. Let's take a look at the Mattock real quick. Pretty good haul, right? They're very, very thorny, and they make a great addition to the slash pile throughout the summer. A bunch of critters are gonna nest in there, but I've got to get it over to the slash pile. Cultivator Mattock, go on the fork side of things, just reach around the pile. This is a pretty heavy pile, but you can get it to roll back on itself. Take that whole pile over the slash.